let's learn Seen Enough. It's choreographed by Sue Jennings. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Seen Enough. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a rumba box back. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. Step back with your right and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, bring your right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. Step forward with your left and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts, stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 4 walks forward, step forward, right, left, right, left. We're now going to do 2 quarter pivots with hip rolls. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to rotate your hips counterclockwise or from left to right, bringing your hip around, putting your weight onto your right foot, make that quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight back onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to repeat that step forward with your right, rotate your hips from left to right, putting your weight onto your right foot, making that quarter turn over your left shoulder and putting your weight back onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts, doing your walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do diagonal steps with slides. So we're going to step our right foot into the right diagonal, drag your left toe into your right, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot into the left diagonal, drag your right toe into your left, and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, rocking forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward onto your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your diagonal step touches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to step your left foot next to your right. Step your right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side, and we're going to sway our hips to the left, to the right, to the left, taking weight onto that left foot, and touch your right toe next to your left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts, doing your side together, side touch to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. You'll go into your rumba box from there. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your rumba. So it's side together, right back, touch, side together, left forward, touch, walk right, left, pivot with hip rolls, quarter pivot, hip rolls, big step, slide, touch, rocking chair, right forward, right back, side together, side, touch, step, sway, 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 touch. And that is the whole dance. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your rumba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's everything. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a front-facing wall. You'll dance the first 16 counts, which will put you to the back. So let's dance those 16 counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your rumba. So you're gonna go side together, back, touch, side together, forward, touch, walk, 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 step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot. Right now, this would be coming towards the end of the dance. So all we're going to do is do a half pivot over our left shoulder. You're gonna step forward with your right and do that half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and that will be how you will end the front. So now that pivot is going to be very fast. So you want to make sure that after you come out of these quarter pivots, you just turn right away on the ball of your right foot to face 12 o'clock to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your rumba. It's side together, back, touch, side together, forward touch, walk, 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 quarter pivot, big step, rocking chair. Now your side together, side, touch, step, side, sway, 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 touch, rumba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rumba, side together, back, touch, side together, forward touch, walk. Now your quarter pivot with your hip rolls. Now your big step to the diagonal, rocking chair. Now your side together, side, touch, step, side, sway, 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 touch, rumba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is everything. So now that you've learned with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Seen Enough. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.